Here we are at the inner bay of Nafpaktos. It's called a limani, maybe a micro limani, which comes from the Turkish word harbor. We use it as well, and the Greek too. Apparently neighbors share some common language patterns, so there you go. Despite the hate for the Turkish, or love or whatever, they still use the same words over and over again. We use them, Greeks use them, Turkish use them. Now this area here and its surrounding is hustling and bustling with young people and a lot of commotion during the early night hours. So this is the place to be when night comes, and you can find here many cafes that are full to the brim with people, very young people, I would say teenagers. And you can find here a lot of nice music and also some other stuff to do. I mean, all the stuff that the tourist needs to do in a touristic city. It's a young city and an enjoyable one. So this is all from Nafpaktos. Our next destination is the Mykenaean Bay and Kalamata.